I have horns and can run very fast. I live in the grasslands of Africa. What am I? I am an antelope. I'm tiny, but I'm the hardest worker in the savannah. I can carry food bigger than me to my home underground. What am I? I am an ant. I hide in rivers and swamps, but don't try to shake my hand. My teeth are sharp and I love to sunbathe. What am I? I am an alligator. I'm green and smooth on the outside, but creamy inside. People love me in salads and I go well with bread. What am I? I am an avocado. I'm round, juicy, and sometimes red or green. You might find me in your lunchbox, but I don't grow in every village. What am I? I am an apple. I fly in the sky like a bird, but I don't lay eggs. You'll hear my voice so loud. What am I? I am an airplane. I don't eat trees, but I chomp them anyway. I don't have teeth, but I'm very sharp. What am I? I am an axe. Good job, kids. You're as clever as the ants themselves. Keep thinking, keep guessing, and keep having fun.